Thank you, Chairman. I will just discuss about the motion for reconsideration that was filed by General Mariano in this honorable committee. Now, just to refresh everyone who is present during the previous hearing, the last hearing, in which General Mariano was cited in contempt by the Honorable Tolpo, and I seconded it, and he ordered to be detained for 30 days in the premises of the House. First and foremost, during the interpellation to General Mariano, the data being presented by General Mariano contradicts with the position of the regional director. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, sabi ko nga doon kay ito question of the first issue that was raised na he never lied. He never refused to answer. Of course, he never refused to answer. But for us, the conclusion of the committee lied. General Mariano lied during that hearing. Kasi, tinanong ko pa nga I am the one who asked, what is for the interest of RD, of the regional director, to lie? None. And when in fact, the video that was presented when RD and his office investigated Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, napakalinaw po na RD wants the truth to come out. Dinitalya niya pa, makita mo po. And RD has nothing to do with it. Now, iba yung version ni RD, iba yung version ni General Mariano with regards to the date and the time. Nung tinanong si General Mariano, hindi niya alam. Kaya hindi niya ni-report kay RD. But of course, etong si Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, pinapunta doon sa quarter ni RD, ni General Mariano, napakalinaw po ang oras at saka yung purpose doon to brief and report to General Mariano about what really happens. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, the time because we wanted to have a quorum to decide on the contempt motion but hanged during the time. Now, sabi ko nga during the break, I talked to the members and I even talked to Congressman Busita. Hindi pwede dalawa ang nagsasabi ng totoo dito with conflicting statements by General Mariano and Adrian Satis. Hindi pwede dalawa yung totoo, hindi rin pwede dalawa ang nagsisinungaling. Isa lang po ang nagsisinungaling dito. And personally, sabi ko nga, my judgment, based on all the facts being presented, and that includes the video, when RD investigated, like Lieutenant Colonel Guevara, malinaw po that General Mariano is lying. That was the first issue in his motion for reconsideration. And before I proceed to the second point that being raised in that MR, ako mismo sinabi ko, all those in the practice and then under the rules of the House, all those cited in contempt in any committee hearing, in any committees in the House, you have all the right to file a motion for reconsideration. But reading the motion for reconsideration, sabi ko nga, General Mariano during the time is lying. Number two, parang he lectured the motion for reconsideration that was filed by General Mariano, hindi ko alam kung siya mismong gumawa o his lawyer. He lectured the members of this committee. I've been in Congress for the past 11 years. I've been in the Rules Committee for the past several years also. I was the minority floor leader. I cited in contempt several resource speakers in this House. I know the rules. The committee knows the rules. He, in his motion for reconsideration, he cited the quorum. And for the record, to refresh all the members, or to refresh all the members and all the resource persons present during the last hearing, the chairman suspended the hearing. Why? Because we need the quorum the time and we need at least 2/3 of the members present there being a quorum. And we have 9 members during the time. That's the second point. We have a quorum the time. And questioning about the quorum, General Mariano, sorry to say, we know the rules and we have the quorum the time. Physically present. We have 9 members present during the time. Thirdly, question of ano ba yun, sir? Sorry, I forgot. So
Well,
established that General Mariano is lying, there is a quorum that was suspended. Sabi ko nga, isa lang yung nagsasabi ng totoo, and in that case, RD is saying the truth.
Okay, kasi para habang hinahanap po ni Congressman Paduano yun, it's written in our rules, no, under Section 11 that we have a quorum that time. That's the reason why really we suspended it and for us to have a 2/3 of the members. And when I read the motion for reconsideration, parang medyo imbis na actually malambot na nga yung aming mga damdamin dito. But what we wanted is well, ako lang daw. But what we wanted sana is to really to have a resolution for this hearing. But of course, the body will decide on that. But personally, what I wanted sana is to have a resolution maybe approved by the body next week. But unfortunately, having read this motion for reconsideration and accusing us of have not followed the rules of this committee, medyo na-offend ako doon. And maybe you have to really consult with your lawyer. Baka mamaya yung lawyer hindi kayo pinoproteksyonan, General Mariano and Colonel Cabradilla. And